Hello friends, I hope you're all doing well. It's time to show you how to write your name in Telugu or Hindi by using Python. First you have to go to Unicode letters. In which language you want to write, go to that language, search in the Google. The first website you get in the Google, click on that website. Next the website will be open. This is the interface of the Telugu letters website. In the circle it is the code through which we can print the characters of Telugu in Python. This is the Unicode. There are so many letters in Python along with some Uttulu as called in Telugu. Next go to the Google Translate, because so many people don't know other languages, that's why we are using Google Translate. Go to the Google Translate. Now here I am going to type my name, ateeq. Now let's try ateeq in Telugu by using Python. Now let's go to online compiler of Python. Select all and clear the screen and write just print character, first character code. The first character code is 3077. Just run the code and see. First letter is A. It came successfully. In this way, by going to Google Translate, see letter by letter and go to that website, see that character number and come here and just type the character number. It will be directly printed. No need to worry. If you are going in the wrong direction, go to the Google Translate and see which character exactly you want and print that character number. Finally we are close to our output. Finally we have printed our output in Telugu by using Python. Let's try another language next video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye.